Hi everyone, today I am going to explain the topics how we can create a structure using Typedef and how to create a structure variable for accessing the data members of a structure and how we can create an arrays within structures. So the first topic is creating a structure using Typedef. Before I'm going to explain how we can create a structure by using Typedef, we'll see what is Typedef. In C programming language, Typedef is a keyword which is used to create alias or an alternative name for an existing data type. It may be of a user-defined data type also. Here is a syntax for creating an alias for an existing data type by using Typedef. Typedef is a keyword and we can provide an existing data type followed by alias name. Here is an example. Here I am created one alias that is for unsigned long integer. So I am using Typedef unsigned long integer and I am providing alias as ulong. So later in my program which I am going to use unsigned long integer, instead I can use simply ulong in my program. So now you'll see how we can create a structure by using Typedef. So here is the syntax. So we'll take a keyword Typedef and then we can provide a structure definition. That is by using a struct keyword followed by a structure name, and we can specify all the data members within that structure. And here the type name will give an alias name for a structure. Example, Typedef struct. The structure name is an employee which will consist in the data members employee name which is of type character. It can hold maximum of 20 characters, and then address which is of type character which can hold 25 characters, and then employee ID is of type integer, salary is of type floating point. Here EMP is an alias which I am created for my structure employee. So later in my programs where I want to use struct employee, simply I can use EMP. So in this example, I am created two structure variables for my structure employee. So instead of I am using struct employee E1 comma E2, I am simply written employee E1 comma E2. Here E1 and E2 are two data variables or the structure variables which I am created for my structure employee. And we'll see now how to create a structure variable. So as like a normal variables, we cannot access the data members of a structures directly in C programming language. We need to create a structure variable to access the data members of a structure. Structure members can be accessed by a structure variable along with a dot operator. In C programming language, there are two ways to create a structure variable. The first one is we can create a structure variable while defining the structure itself. In second way, we can also create a structure variable after terminating the structure definition by using the struct keyword. Now see how we can create a structure variable while defining the structure itself. So here struct student is my structure name. It consisting of three data members, student name, roll number and percentage. Here I am given student 1 which is my structure variable which I am created for my structure student. In second way, we can create a structure variable after we terminating the structure definition. Simply we can use a struct keyword along with a structure name. We can create a structure variable. Here is an example which is created student 2 as a structure variable for a structure student. And now see how we can access the data members of a structure. In C programming language, there are two ways to access the structure data members. The first way is we can use a dot operator or a member operator to access the structure data members. For example, if I am created STU is a structure variable for my structure student. Then I can access the data members name and roll number. Simply I'm using my structure variable with a dot operator and my data members. And a second way, I can use pointer operator to access my structure data members. When I am creating my structure variable is of type pointer, I can access these data members by using the pointer operator. So what do you mean by array within structure? So array within structure is nothing but a structure that contains an array as its member. For example, here I am creating one structure name employee which will consisting 4 data members. Here employee name is of type array which can hold 20 characters. And here address is also a type of array of type character which can hold 25 characters. And it's also having another 2 data members, that is employee ID is of type integer and salary is of type floating point. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe. Thank you.